Yeah, hi guys, let's draw this in SolidWorks. For drawing this model in SolidWorks, we can see that this is having the three major geometries. First is the base feature, then the circular feature, and ribs. So let's start by drawing the base feature first. SolidWorks, sketch front plane. $20 mm. Then we can calculate the length of this, that is 36 plus 64 plus 54, that is 154. We can complete the rectangle with this length and height likewise. After that, at 36 plus 64, that will be 100. At 100, you can see the center point for these two semicircular geometries. Height of that is given here. So from baseline, the center point will be located at a 10 mm distance. So 100 and at 10 mm you can locate the center point. So construction line. So here I can click it. I can give the dimension on the construction line as 10 mm, and from that you can draw a line that will be of 100 mm. With the help of this point, now you can draw the circle. The size of this circle is R is 28. Into 2, that will be 56. Similarly, the smaller circle, that is R18, circle this, radius is 18. 18 multiplied by 2, that will be 36. Then you can check that this circle is a complete half circle. So let's join this line with this line, make it horizontal. With the help of the trim command, you can trim out the portion of that which is not required. Now this point should match there. This point should match on this line. Radius I have to again specify, that is 18, and now it is constraint geometry. From here you can see it is 6 mm. A straight line from here, dimension is 6 mm, and you can join it with the baseline likewise. And from here you can see it is connected with the vertical line. So from here you can join it up to this point, and then with the help of a trim command you can trim the part like this. Okay, again you have to give the dimension for this 154, which is correct. And now we have to trim the parts for this bigger circle. So you can trim the bigger circle wherever it is not required, and then this straight line wherever it is not required. Now you can see this is shaded geometry. Shaded area which represents the geometry is closed, and now we can draw the solid feature with the help of that. Width is 72. So you can come out of the sketch, features, extruded boss, opposite side, and the dimension over here as 72. Okay, now you can provide the fillets on all four corners, that is R5. Select fillet command 1, 2, 3 and 4. Radius is 5. Done. That is completed. Let's draw this cutout. 20 and depth will be 10. So sketch on this face rectangle, and 20. Centrally located, fully defined sketch, come out, features, extruded cut, up to next. Done. That is completed. Now we will draw this circular features. So the center line for that is located at 36 and height of center point is given as 82. So 36 and 82. We will first of all create a reference plane. Yes, sketch on that. So construction line or center line, (36) and this was 82. Now at this location you can draw those two circles of 18 and 36. And 18. Come out of the sketch, and width is 36, extruded boss. Now you have to choose mid plane and distance is 36. Done. You can hide this plane now. And ribs, you have to draw these ribs. Thickness will be 10 mm. So again on that same plane I will draw sketch normal to, and from this point I can draw the tangent line. Again from this I can draw the tangent line. Ctrl Z, again line command. From here I want the line to be the tangent one, so I can move it like this and then select this geometry and this geometry and say as tangent. You can make use of convert entities. These two entities I want to convert entities. From this point to this point I can join it. and then again from this you have to make use of the convert entities, again trim entities. Now you can see this is highlighted, but this should be a tangent, and similarly this line should be the tangent line. Now you can see it is completely defined, and as well as we are getting a shaded sketch. With the help of that we can draw extruded boss. Similarly mid plane, and the thickness we know for that is 10 mm. So 10 mm was the thickness. We can say it's done. Fine. Now again these ribs we have to draw. So thickness is given as 10, and from the center point up to this, that is 28. What we can do, a reference geometry we want point, and but that we want in the 3D sketch. So 3D sketch point, this point I want. I'll come out of the sketch. I want a plane to be located at this location, correct? So that we have got, and now I can draw a sketch on the plane. Normal to, again I can say normal to, or this side is more comfortable. From this vertical, and then join up to this point up to, I can say this line. First of all, I think I can convert the entities. No, it is not. Then we can make use of this circle and convert entities. Now we have that again. Or another way, we have to join these two. Then we can say these two lines to be collinear. You can delete this, it's not required. And or I will keep it, because I want the center point of that, so that I can define this distance, that is 28, correct? And so you can see it is fully defined sketch. Now come out of that, features, extruded boss, mid plane, but it's fine, I think. Okay, be 10, and this is not a merge feature. Now it's done. You can hide the plane, and if you have got the center plane, which was this, with the help of that plane you can say mirror entities, bodies to mirror. You can select this body which is reflecting, and yes, it is done. Now just a last feature, so we have to make holes in the base geometry, that is 12, and quantity is 2, means on both the sides. This is 18, and center line is 18, means from here it is 18, from here it is 18. You can draw that. Sketch on this plane, circle 1, 2, center line, From this center point it is 18, and from this line it is 18. Okay, that is correct. Similarly, from this is 18, and finally dimensions, that is 12. Select these two, make them equal. Now it is fully defined. Come out of the sketch command and features extruded cut up to next. Yes, so in this way we have completed the part, but still we have left with one last feature, that is oil hole. So 3 is the size for that, and we can draw that again by drawing a reference plane. First reference, second reference, this is correct, and I'll say sketch, circle 3 mm, vertical as well as horizontal, or best way is to locate it with the center line only, because if we make any changes further, those will automatically be done on its own. Features extruded cut, flip direction, and up to surface, you can say this surface. Yes, that is done. You can hide this plane, and now the part is completed. Again, with appearance, you can give the color. Okay,